New overnight on the fire watch, a wildfire has been reported in Hailey and Hangmans Gulch. That's east of Old Cutters near Quigley Canyon. The Blaine County Sheriff's Office has issued a level 2 evacuation alert for Old Cutters subdivision and all people who live on Quigley Road.
That means they should be relocating to a shelter outside of the area or be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Have those bags packed. Now, all residents of Deerfield are now in stage 1. That's a stage 1 alert. That means be aware and be alert of what's happening here. Fire crews are on scene.
70 degrees right now, and Larry, we don't know